Yeah. 30 minutes of tape. Nice
Oh my God, you're so cute.
You heard about this?
What?
There's a local.
I'm gonna go to it.
There's some talk now trying to figure out what
Are you originally from Portland? From Pennsylvania.
Yes, we love you.
Wow.
Strut. Big time. Strut. Oh, look at that tail. It's so sweet right there. Still got it. And I still wonder how you do it. Pretty good. You might look at that a lot for sure. Never heard this before, so I just found it a little bit like most of the people. I'll do anything, but you got to tell me what you want to hear. Any ideas? Bing bong? Okay, well, all right. That's not a lot to go off of, so bing bong, and you know, it's a really big opportunity for you, and I just got to say that you blew it. So thank you very much. Yeah.
It's been.
Oh, I know. I haven't pulled it in a while. You don't feel what it is.
Yeah.
I guess we missed you in the artist alley.
You look good.
Does that capture sound too?
Badly.
I do the thing where you bring the straw to someone's ear, like blow it.
My friend is from yeah.
This is like pretty slick, actually. Smooth trimming. I like that a lot, yeah. That